Hey mate, how you doing? Hope your legs are feeling. Oh well, actually no, they're not because I've just seen your message. um, but yeah, sorry about that. It was a good session though, wasn't it? My legs are not too bad today. They are like so I can tell I've trained them. What? My Alexa's just started talking to me. I don't know what it's saying. Does it all the time? Shut up! I don't want to call anyone. Um, right. I think she's shut up now. Anyway, what was I saying? Uh, yeah. Oh, is it recording? Yeah, I think it is. Is it? Oh, it is. Yeah, sorry. Oh God. Right, let's start again. Yeah. So my legs is feeling quite sore. I can tell I trained them, but on the whole, I'm doing it all right. um, so I'm going to start off with the bad news today. So what I've decided to do is drop your carbs by 20 grams per day. Not sorry, not per day, per training day. Um, because I just want to make these small adjustments, which we will need to be doing. I know you don't want to do them, but will need to make some minor adjustments as we go along to kind of really make sure that we get down to the target weight that we want to. Okay. So I've only taken off 20 grams, which is hopefully not a lot, and hopefully you can you'll be able to manage um, with that. All right. Fats and protein obviously stay the same, so your calories overall have just come down by 80 compared to what they were. All right. So please don't hate me too much, but just see how you get on with it. All right. Then looking over your check-in sheet, pretty good stuff this week. Obviously, sleep is always good with you, so I never need to worry about that. Energy, pretty good. Um, Overall, happy with that. Stress, obviously, had maybe a couple of stressful days in work, but we all get those, so don't worry. Motivation is yeah, staying fairly high, so that's what we like. So that's pretty good. Nutrition, yeah, again, decent level. Just obviously, like we talked about, it's just key to keeping it as good as you can in the week. If you do have things on the weekend, which means it's not going to be as accurate. So yeah, just in the week now, because you've got that wedding coming up this weekend, you just need to make sure that it's properly on point now this week. But other than that, it's doing quite well. Hunger is not having too much of a hit, which is what we want. But I'll have to monitor that next week after this new drop in calories. Um, Other training sessions this week looking good. Performance is staying up there because yeah, I ideally want at least a 7 for every session that you do, but obviously 8, 9 is kind of more of what we want really. Steps again, same as sleep, hitting them every week, and maybe just try and get this average slightly over 11,000, maybe up to 11,500 if you can. That would be even better than what it is this week, but still good. All right. Cardio, you keep it on with that as always. And then obviously your heart rate is just, yeah, excellent. Much better than mine is at the moment. Um, and then weight. So weight is the last thing I wanted to come on to. Now I was looking over your weights since you started basically, and you've actually dropped just over 2 kilograms, which when I've worked it out is over 4.5 pounds. So that's how much you've dropped since you started. So when I looked at the kind of the weight range that I want to get down to by the time we finish, say in or after 12 weeks, we're pretty much on schedule to do that, or to get into the bottom end of the range that I want to get to. So if we can kind of even just push into that range a little bit, not obviously get down too low, but get to a very reasonable weight, um, to show a good amount of progress, then yeah, that's going to be excellent. So yeah, I mean, don't overstress yourself with the weight situation, because it's definitely coming down slowly. And like I told you at the start, I didn't set the whole diet up to have the weight come off rapidly, so I wasn't expecting that to happen anyway. But the fact that, in just over 6 weeks you've lost pretty much 4.5 pounds, essentially. So that's pretty good, to be honest. So don't worry about it. Just keep going as you are. Hopefully, like this little drop in calories will just push that forward a little bit more, and we'll see it coming down a bit more as well over the next few weeks. So very good week. I'm very happy with it. Just keep it going. Like I said, nutrition, keep it tight this week now, so um, you can enjoy yourself a bit on the weekend, and hopefully your legs will recover in a few days. All right. Any questions, or you just want to send me any hate mail for dropping your calories, just let me know. All right, but I'll speak to you soon otherwise.